YouTubers? Here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go. Let's see what they sent me. And we have here another box. Well, we got these instead of the popcorn poppers, which is a good thing. I don't like those popcorn poppers. There we go. We got another box. Not sure what this is. Out. Put the garbage away. There we go. Rock and roll. Now, which way does this go? Made in China. We got another box. Alright. Here's the opening. Alright, we can tell right on top. We got some kind of manual. If you guys could read. Here we go. LED temporary work light. Alright. So maybe you can work outside or anywhere you need extra light. Bada boom. We'll see how bright it is and all that good stuff. So here we go. Let's take a look. Alright. I have some weight to it, but not too heavy. Oh, my phone's gonna die. I gotta throw it on a charge. There we go. Oh boy. Oh. That's pretty cool. You can take it camping. Why won't it come out? Ah. Had the hooks on it. Look at this. It's like a lantern. Thick cable. Really thick cable. Look at all these LEDs. They're everywhere. Alright, I'm going to charge my phone. I'll be right back. Alright guys, right here. You can buy other ones and add on to it. Kind of like a link. It's got to flip up. And there you go. I don't know if you guys can see. Right about there. See, there's another one. There we go. You can add a third one. And right here, here's a clip where you could have it clipped to something. You gotta wiggle it. This thing is super bright. Do not stare at it, you know, because it is really bright, guys. And it's not heavy. It could definitely hang from somewhere, you know, working on your cars or your bikes or whatever you do. This would be a good one. Hold on one sec. So there we go. And now I'm going to turn this on. So if you're light sensitive, you might want to steer away for a second because this thing is bright. Even with these lights on, this thing overpowers it. Pretty amazing. So many LEDs. I'm not sure how many, but there's a lot of them. So here we go. Cover your eyes. Ah, brightness. It's so bright. There we go. All the way around. But definitely, look at that. I can see it. It's kind of warm. Oh yeah, it's warm. I wouldn't touch it, you know, like that. Yeah, it's a little toasty. Give it a few minutes, it'll get a lot warmer. So, okay, this helps. If you're looking for a good temporary work light, this is a great one to get. Like I said, you can buy a couple of them, have it link in together through this. I can't even shut it. And then you'll be good to go. So check them out. super bright LEDs. You can see even with the lights on, it's bright. Down here, look at that. You can definitely work on your cars, whatever you need to get done. So there you go, YouTubers. Check them out. Link down below. Have a good weekend.